Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we will learn how to install two WhatsApp in one phone. This works on both iOS and Android devices. Let's start right away. First step, go to Play Store or App Store. Then search for multiple account. Here you will find an app named Multiple Accounts Dual Space. Install this app. Then open this application. Agree and continue. Tap Allow. Here you can select WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp. And now you are able to use a second WhatsApp in your phone. Go next and open a new account here. That's it for now. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.